Hi, and welcome to Chordio. Chordio helps you turn your team standards into automated tests in Figma or code. Let's walk through how to get started. You'll begin in the Standards Center. This is where you organize your standards into focus areas like accessibility, UX writing, and visual consistency. Each focus area represents a set of tests that Chordio will run during a review. The best part? You can start testing immediately with over 50 default tests already built in. You can fully customize the Standards Center to make it your own. Adding new tests is easy. Choose a focus area, click the Add button, and describe what you'd like Chordio to evaluate in a review. It's that simple. It's also easy to connect your existing guidelines. In each focus area, you'll find a Knowledge tab where you can upload documents or use the Notion and Google Docs integrations to connect to your team's source of truth. When those documents change, Chordio reflects the updates automatically, saving you the maintenance overhead. Now let's see how those focus areas drive automated reviews in Figma. Open the Chordio plugin. Select a layer. Pick the focus areas for this review and click Review. Chordio instantly evaluates your design against your standards. It works the same way in Chrome. The extension opens as a sidebar. You can test any page in staging or production. Select focus areas and start the review. If you'd like to test responsive design, just choose the screen sizes to include, and Chordio will automatically resize the screen during the review. That's it. Get started with real-time automated design QA and don't hesitate to reach out if we can help with anything.